In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Photopea, a versatile web-based image editing tool that's perfect for designers on the go or anyone without access to more traditional software. Let's start by preparing your browser and heading over to the Photopea website. Simply launch your preferred web browser and enter Photopea into the search bar. Alternatively, you can go directly by typing the website address. Once you're there, you'll find a familiar interface that closely resembles other well-known graphics editing software, making it easier for users with experience in other platforms to get started quickly. Now that you're on the Photopea workspace, the first step is to open a project. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and then choosing Open to navigate to the file you wish to edit. Once your file is open, locate the text layer which you'd like to adjust. Ensuring you're on the correct layer is crucial, as any adjustments you make will only apply to the selected layer. With your text layer selected, look to the Tools panel on the right side or refer to the Layers section at the bottom right. Click on the layer containing the text you want to justify. Highlight the text you need to alter by using the Text tool, click the T icon on the Tools panel, or simply press T on your keyboard. Clicking once on your text will activate the editing mode, making it ready for customization. You'll notice the top menu now offers a range of options pertinent to text editing, including alignment settings. This is where you'll make the magic happen. Direct your attention to the upper middle section of the interface. This area contains various alignment icons. Here you have choices: justify, center, left, or right. For our focus today, select the Justify Text button. This aligns your text evenly along both the left and right margins, creating a clean, professional look that's especially useful in design layouts demanding clean, structured lines. After clicking the Justify option, you might want to make some subtle adjustments to ensure everything looks just right. Depending on your project needs, consider adjusting the text size, font style, or even line height. These small tweaks can enhance the readability and overall aesthetic of your text. Once you're satisfied with how your text appears, remember to save your work. To do this, head back to the top menu and click File followed by Export As. Choose your preferred file format and save the file to your device. And there you have it. Your text is now neatly justified in Photopea and your project is ready to shine. It's amazing how a well-aligned text can elevate the overall presentation of your design. Thanks for joining in today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy designing!